Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move emails to a specific folder on Outlook for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, or we can go to the bottom left corner of the screen where it says All Applications. Now click on Outlook. And for this tutorial, we are now trying to move an email to a folder. So let's just right-click on the very first email we have, which is at the top of the list. Now we can click on Move to other inbox, always move to this inbox, or move to a different folder. Let's just create a folder. Call this Twitter. Enter. And now this email has moved to Twitter, the folder itself. And so that's how you move emails from the inbox to another folder. Go back to the inbox. If we want to do that again, right click on an email, move to a different folder, Twitter. Go to the Twitter folder. Now we have two emails that were in the main inbox. Now all move to Twitter. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.